Hello wonderful people, welcome to Adorable Kitchen. On today's recipe I have spaghetti jollof surprise. Do you want to see how I made this? Sit back and continue watching. For the list of ingredients, I used 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 habanero pepper, 2 cloves of garlic. I used tomato paste just to give it this pepper dem gang color. I used mixed vegetables, they are frozen. I used onions, bell pepper, seasoning powder, thyme, salt. Coconut milk, this is the chief of this recipe. I used spaghetti, this brand by Barilla. I used chicken breast. You also need turmeric, curry powder just for extra seasoning, chicken seasoning, and olive oil or any other oil of your choice. I went ahead, I pat the chicken breast dry after washing it. I cut the chicken into small chunks to help it cook faster. Then I marinated it, left it in the fridge for like 20 minutes to help the spices or the flavors to sink inside it. So while the chicken was chilling in the fridge, I boiled some water for the spaghetti. When the water boiled, I added some oil just to avoid the spaghetti from clumping. Then I added the spaghetti. You just have to parboil this for like 2 minutes just to remove extra starch from it. You don't need to cook it for a long time. After frying the tomato paste for about 2 to 5 minutes, I added in the fresh tomatoes. I did not over fry it because I wanted to be seeing the particles of those fresh tomatoes in the jollof. Next, I seasoned it. The only liquid I used in this recipe was the coconut milk and what I got from rinsing the tin. added seasoning powder and salt, mixed everything together, cover and let it boil. So when it boiled, I added in the parboiled spaghetti. I mixed everything together until they were well incorporated. Cover with foil, pepper and cook on a very low heat. So while the spaghetti was cooking on the other side, I stir fried the chicken breast just to get everything going. I stir fried for 4 minutes. I added in the vegetables, mixed them together and set aside. After stirring to allow the fluids on top sink inside, cover and continue cooking. When the pasta is completely dried up, add in the stir fry and mix everything together. I have cooked this recipe several times and it has never failed me. It usually comes out so wonderful. This particular one was amazing. Like I myself, I was even surprised at the outcome. It tasted so good, so creamy, so filling, so delicious. I know that sometimes we run out on ideas on what to prepare for our families. That's why I'm here, okay? I'm here to give you ideas on what to prepare for your wonderful family. That is why it is important that you subscribe so that you'll be able to see our videos, okay? Also comment, like and share this video. Thank you so much for staying with me today. Have a nice day. Bye.